How to delete Uber account. All you have to do is to go to your Uber application here, and it will look like this. So on the bottom part, you will see three different options there. There's home, activity, and account. Tap on account, and then here it will look like this. So there are other options there below. You'll see messages, business hub, settings, earn by driving or delivering, legal. So go to settings, then here on settings, go to privacy, and then here you will see privacy center there. Tap on that. Now the next thing that you want to do is to scroll all the way down until you see the account security section there. Tap on account deletion, and then just wait for it to load. Now here it will ask for your phone number or your email depending on what you use. Now just type in the verification code that was sent to you, and here they will ask for your password to confirm your identity or you own the account. Scroll all the way down and just tap on continue and give the reason why you want to delete your account. So let's say we no longer need this one, and then confirm to delete. And if it doesn't work, make sure that you have updated your Uber application. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.